Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. So, first, let me introduce myself. My name is Muzaki Gusron Effendi, with student ID number 221094-2013. And for today's presentation, so I will be present about the analysis of testing anomalies in air and odor measurements. This is based on the evaluation of methods and results based on the provided document. So for the document itself, you can see in the right side in the figure. So this is the uh, based on the ANDAL document of development and operational activities of a palm oil processing plant with a capacity of 45 tons of fresh fruit punch per hour and a kernel crushing plant with a capacity of 60 tons of kernel per day, along with its supporting facilities by PT Sumatra Karya Agro. Attachment 7, the report of result test and certificate of laboratory. Okay. So this test is conducted by PT Green Lab Indo Global, also known as Green Lab Indonesia. So this Green Lab Indo Global is a company specializing in environmental laboratory testing and also industrial hygiene services. It is established in 2018. The company is committed to providing accurate and fast testing services, supported by an experienced professional team and also the advanced equipment. So this company offers a wide range of testing services for chemical, biological, and also physical factors in the workplace environment, including water, air, waste, and also workplace environmental testing based on the international standards and national standards. And also for the certification, accreditations, and licensing, you can see in here. So this is the accreditation by the KAN or National Accreditation Committee. You can see in the left figure. And this is the for the ambient air for our object today. As you can see, this is the parameter that has been accredited by the KAN. There, so there is PB, SO2, TSP, PM10, PM2.5, and also the environment noise. And yeah, for the ambient air for our object today. And this is the registration from the Ministry of Kementerian Lingkungan Hidup dan Kehutanan or KLHK. And also for our object today, which is ambient air, you can see here, same before as before, there is PB, SO2, TSP, PM10, PM2.5, and also noise. So this is the ambient air measurement. So as you can see here, like the order number, company, the address, sampling location, sampling date, you can see in the left figure. And this is the result in the project area. So in this ambient air measurement, so actually they uh, analyzing and also analyzing some parameters. Here there is SO2, COX, NOx, and then the photochemical oxidant as ozone, non-methane hydrocarbons, and then PM10, PM2.5, ESP, and also the PB. So if we see before, the ambient air only, one, two, three, four, five. So only six. And in here, only five of them is accredited. So for the measurement of COX, NOx, photochemical oxidant as ozone, and also non-methane hydrocarbons in ambient air, the Green Lab has not yet obtained the certification and registration. This is for the method anomalies, and this is the for the result. As you can see in the left figure is result in project area, and in the right figure the result in residential areas. So there is so only the so the anomaly only in the if we see in the COX result, the measured concentration in residential areas is higher than at the project site. You can see here. So in the area is 100 and 312, while in the project site is 100 and 1245. But all of the parameters are still below the standards and meets compliance with the regulation. And that means it is still safe. And this is for the odor measurement. So actually for the odor measurement, the method generally seems suitable and dependable. However, the additional validation is needed for non-accredited parameters to confirm their compliance with both national and international standards. And all of the results are still below the limit detection. That means it's still safe and compliance with the regulation. Yeah, thank you for listening. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.